Since the pandemic happened and work from home situation, my Mini Cooper has been sitting in the garage most of the time. So in order to maintain the battery charge, I got the NOCO Genius 2 to charge the battery once a month. Today I'll show you how to connect the device to the Mini. It's very straightforward. First, open the hood and look for the red cap with the plus sign on it. So open the cap and then put the red clamp and just clamp it to that metal part. And look for the sticking out metal part my finger points to. So clamp that black clamp onto it. And then plug the device into a power outlet. Mini use AGM battery, so make sure you're in the proper battery type. If it's not, just press the button and then cycle through until you see AGM lights up. So I let it sit for about 5 hours. You can see now it's fully charged. So the first thing is to unplug the power. Then we need to remove the clamp in a reverse order. So now remove the black one first, and then the red one. I'll put the product link in the description if you want to pick one up. Remember to hit that like button and then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.